To access the client portal, go to bd-accounting.com and then scroll over to the top right side and you'll see a client login link. Select this link and it'll take you to the login screen. Here you want to input your email address and your password and click sign in. If this is your first time using the client portal or if you forgot your password, choose forgot password. Then input your email address. Click send reset instructions and then they'll send you an email where you can reset your password or you can set up a new password if this is your first time using the client portal. However, if you get an error that says no login email exists, please contact my office by emailing admin@bd-accounting.com so that we can add an email to your profile.